So on the 2005 S55 AMG, I've been getting a check engine light for a uh, P050 for idle air control system. If you click help on my unit here, it says possible causes: faulty idle air control valve, or open or short in the idle air control vacuum. But that was just the basic information that I get from the OBD2 port here. If I go to the actual Mercedes system, I can get more data in there. Go down to control modules, drive, then go to read codes. Here I have my previous O2 sensor fault that's stored, not current. I need to delete that. But the one that is stored and current is that of the idle speed control implausible check system for unmetered air. So I more than likely have an air or a vacuum leak into my engine. So I'm going to go ahead and erase these now because the O2 is fixed and the vacuum leak will be potentially fixed here now. Got some replacement parts I'll be working on today. One is the accessory drive belt, and these three items, more specifically the O-ring, are for the vacuum port that sits right behind the engine. You'll have to remove this surge tank, and there is a brake booster line that feeds into the intake manifold and connects to your brake assembly layer, so that O-ring can sometimes wear out and cause vacuum leak, and this is more than likely what's causing my idle air control issue. See how loose that is. So this original piece here ended up cracking off as I was trying to take it out. But you see you have these two wings that you squeeze on and pop it out. So first you're going to install your O-ring inside here and seat it up against the back side of the wall. Make sure your O-ring is on the back. Then you're going to put your pipe in there, or put this piece into the pipe and put it all the way to the back end. Then this piece is going to go into the pipe and you're going to squeeze it into the hole, and then last piece, this black, is going to connect over the top.